this is for the application that you are going to use to compress the video. I already sent the link to your email. So once you click on the link, the download is going to automatically start downloading to your system. So you don't need to click on anything on this page, so it starts downloading. So but I already have it on my system. I already have it downloaded on my system. So I'm going to video, then here's the software, Handbrake. So open the software, say yes, then next, then wait for it to install. Then after installation, you click on finish, then come to your Windows, then type Handbrake. There you have it. You open, and okay, there you have the page. You open a single file, then you go and locate the video where the ice cream recorder recorded the video. Here you have the video. So I have a video here I want to use as an example, so which is this. So I'm going to click on it and say open. So the number one thing you're going to do is that under summary section, make sure this align AV/V start is the only one that is checked. Okay, and you come to the dimension. The width, you change it to 896, and the height, you change it to 504. Okay, then you come to video. Make sure you change this from peak, you change it to constant. That's all. So also try to note the location of the video, where it's going to be stored, and the name. You see, mine is under video, ice video, blah blah blah. Okay, so just take note of the name so that you can be able to identify wherever the thing has been stored in. So then you just click on start encode. So click on start encode. So it starts like this. So because this video is very short and small, that is why you're seeing the video moving so fast. It's compressing it so fast. Can you see this is the percentage? 82%, 84, 86, 91. So then when it's done with conversion, then you see Q finish here. So the location of this video, let's go and check for the video. So if I click on video, so can you see this is the original one, which is 5.50 MB. This is the compressed one. Can you see 1.30 MB? So meaning that this file has been compressed. And yes, the file has been compressed. Yeah, that's it. So from 5.50 MB, which is this, to 1.30 MB. So that's it. So this file is what you are going to send to me. Okay, so that's it.